Joe. On the AC war, and you know, say no.
Aye.
AC, this is a move. I can say, you blow Niama out of proportion.
Oh, if somebody is saying that the safety of his players cannot be guaranteed,
and I make I say, I'm not disputing what nations for Eka, but what I'm saying is that set them away. A simple brave, but I'm not for Buomani Guso, especially the FA. But I'm only the idea we know about I'm a Obiaka one because nations contenders for the league title no I gamer at least a point to a now Basaka so no and he had 3 points to survive the league in Intino but look Niama akoso this season our league no mono ye mo bi no enya say ye ti na ye ka ye hu ankasa it has been happening o hwe say ye ka violence. Did you see the videos about after Yakob Baby before last Sunday no videos no
yeah
who says supporters full fence were in a perimeter pitches. So did you see those videos?
As BBNE?
Yes.
Now BBN so Obi Anyamoshi.
Who say?
Obi Anyamoshi.
Oh sir. No, that tell me say you don't have the videos. So I can produce the videos for you to show and tell me whether BBC and not BBNC.
Oh sir.
Me say, tell me you don't have the videos. Now come if I'm mouse see if I'm producers. Now if because videos say the babonti be brave. Supporters.
Is that the number you born bo?
Then I'm Ranoka. Say Paul Diano and I beg so I can say you're confident you be na you who be busy. I will say a jam matches body we are okay with it. Because there our friend is saying in Swatreno. We could have stopped the game. We shouldn't have even gone ahead to play the game. Because a chassis from pre-match.
Okay.
What did I say? A chassis from pre-match. You call baby any a chassis from pre-match. You can watch them. We made calls. And you know something? Say calls no bar. The painful be catcher one say. What the match will call for reinforcement. They are based on the football rules. Anna?
Yeah, you are right.
Yes. Our argument is based on the football rules. What does the rule say? Because I don't think a young jabo no bo friend say in Swatre no. I can do baby no na could have instructed say mind jabo no bo na yenko. But now we're looking at the football rule and then I'm rano eka. Because the moment I'll be walking out and I'll be boycotting a game abruptly no. Almost 2 points.
Yeah.
That is the rule and rano ni. Unless say if a bet me I can say a beer almost share treatment hooliganism and treatment course so friends saying and you say entino they will call for replay and other. No, the only thing currently as far as the rule is concerned if a bet me I and say on the points remember by second holy stars. That's a punishment be aside point the dash and remember home team in India and India is allowed. But me, since last week, you call baby any pre-match. I didn't start here. Yeah, my TV phone, you game no. Now you promote TV crew.
I say eventually about TV so.
Because you raise the alarm. And TV phone and kasa they were allowed to enter the stadium after 12:30 in the afternoon. Meanwhile, no, now you can't want some be 2-3 hours. And the one said, no, baby, I said no kakono. We have to get them in. And I am our mobile. But my phone named the air course. What did I make an answer? My phone named the air course. But you move no, Nana, you bought 33 games. What it means is that Kotoko Abo 16 away matches. coming Sunday be 17. Out of 16 na yabono, me mako 11.
Wow. That's impressive.
Enti obi nkotie embeka nkyere me.
You feel intimidated at league centers when you travel?
Oh yes, a lot. I will be complaining about unim. Car people think say kotoko fight the system. Kotoko complaining too much. Kotoko just say, but look, yet me call center B. So some centers I will call. Now match commissioner, police, officiating officials, team owners, team me up. So I call pre-match. Obi be presenting the jersey. I can't be say can be an ebisa say away team bibika or ministry come only asking for fair officiating. The match commissioner will ask you to retract it. Is this a bad comment?
No.
Say I'm asking for fair officiating. Match commissioner retract it. Police force say retract it. Referee say one retract it. I mean the match you. Say the thing about you see.
Na dey ne be we nyina so ntia obeka say fair officiating.
Na be on fair officiating there. This is a bad call.
It can't be a bad.
It can't be a bad call. My fair officiating. We so yentokwa. Ubeko venue bi. Udu ho oba ho say TV crew ho after pre-match. Omo ni hobby. We share na omo teach oba bi dey omo we say e come back. Omo say my show match no. Say never we nyina esisi o. But okoka say kotoko for complaining. Me I wish say e beto class ni nyina.
Oh.
Yes. Say the payer when we raise the alarm now we'll get support. One time I say league no train so. Nanka yen tutu niama. Na your football no
but your security protocol arrangements na ya mudi so as clubs.
Kotoko dey do so. Hwe ever since those security arrangements no buy no. Say kotoko bus bar. You watch your ask your colleagues. Say kotoko bar stadium who single soul somebody team name da. They say you just anybody nya. You more beyond the team name apart from dispatch rider. Obi any wa or the team name say bia team no ba supporters be welcome team. We have stopped all those things. I don't remember the last time I even went to the inner perimeter or even to the dressing room ever since I introduced these new rules. I don't remember the last time I did that. Last Sunday, you bought media mawe. Now coach media coach Ibrahim Tanko. Now na die wo me ho. It was a media man. I had wanted to go to post-match conference room or but I didn't even want to go there. Because me needs accreditation, no. So I will not go. But when you go to other, me say you call baby any videos na babontino. I could see you see him in the perimeter as the club president. Was the game ended? And see, Emrano as a football person, I ain't know Emrano kakra. Say sanity there. You cannot touch that 3 points. Wow, you cannot.
And